So shifting focus to news coming in from Mumbai now. Sources are now telling your channel that evidence that Sachin Vaze, the now suspended and arrested Assistant Police Inspector of Mumbai Police, collected as an investigating officer, are not on record. When he was the investigating officer of the bomb scare case, he allegedly collected evidences which have not been put on record. Rakesh Trivedi, my colleague, is with us for more on this. Rakesh, the NIA, of course, is unearthing several twists and turns that are taking place over the course of the days in this particular case. There are more and more doubts and more questions that are coming to the fore as far as how deeply Sachin Vaze was involved in this entire case, especially considering he was the lead investigator on the case.
Well, definitely, Poonam, if we go by what we are learning from our sources, the first we saw the CCTV footage of the Innova car, which was coming out of the Mumbai Police headquarters itself on 24th February, on night when this car was used. And in fact, now we also traced the location of the number plate maker in Thane, who in an exclusive interview to Times Now informed us that all his records, including the register that is maintained, all the entries of all number plates made were taken over by Sachin Vaze and his team. Not just the register, but also the DVRs and the CCTV footage, so that all records, all evidences and electronic data were taken over by Sachin Vaze. Now what we are learning that these records were never put on record in the investigating team by Sachin Vaze, and that is the reason now NI wants to recover these items. But by the time they would recover this item, they also suspect that some entries or some evidences must have been destroyed by some suspects. So definitely there is a clear charge on Mr. Sachin Vaze that he allegedly used his designation or the CIU team, and on the pretext of CIU investigation, he tried to sabotage the evidences. So that is the serious allegation that Sachin Vaze would be facing. And right now, NI team is trying to interrogate and dig out more information about this conspiracy, which is getting bigger and bigger each and every day, along with the investigation of NI.
Absolutely, and the politics over that is also peaking. Yesterday, we saw NCP leaders in a huddle. Jayant Patil came out of that meeting and said that all those officials who are allegedly involved, law will take its own course, and if they are involved, they should be brought to book. But he also made it clear that there is no involvement of any politician in this.
Yes, definitely. In fact, what we are learning is that all the parties in the NVA government are firm that there is no political involvement and there is no question of home ministers maybe a shuffle in the portfolio or a resignation or something like that. But but now the pressure is mounting on the Mumbai Police Commissioner, because being the leader of the force, it has now been asked how come the freedom was given to an API level officer who was free to use the Innova car of the Mumbai Police, which is generally registered or given to a DIG rank officer. In fact, one single API officer was handling so many VVIP cases. He was reporting directly to Mumbai Police Commissioner, whereas there are almost 5 ranks in between an API and the Mumbai Police Commissioner, but he was somewhere overtaking all the designations or the hierarchy and was reporting directly to Mumbai Police Commissioner. So these are the questions being raised by the opposition, and based on that, MVA government is really facing embarrassment over this issue, and now they are also planning to how to move ahead with the strategy and how to go forward with the face saving, and that is the reason the pressure is mounting on the Mumbai Police Commissioner.
Absolutely, the pressure is also mounting on the Maharashtra government, because we saw the kind of defense that came to the fore, especially from the Chief Minister as far as Sachin Vaze was concerned. Since the arrest of Vaze, in fact, there has been no word from the Shiv Sena for the moment. Rakesh, thank you so much for your inputs, but do keep a track of not just the investigation but also the political fight. With that, it's time for a quick break here on this edition. But a quick reminder for our viewers, the Indian Economic Conclave has always set the stage for driving India's economic agenda. We're back again to focus on India's outlook and vision for the new decade and its aspirations for a new India. This year, our theme is India's Decade. Reform, Perform and Transform. It's going to feature the biggest voices from politics, global markets, economy and of course the corporate world. Catch all the action right here on the Times Network.